Well, a very warm welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. That is it. Monza with their first corner, the first in the game for either side actually. And the keeper beats it away. Hernandez. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
Well, a lot has been said, Peter, about this guy, Julian Alvarez. I remember...
Into the middle. And that has earned a reprieve for the time being. Oh, no. He ran himself into trouble there. Free kick given away. Oh, strongly challenged there. Kimmich. Good spot, he's seen the run. Neymar. Ronald. He's had a hit! Goal! Brazil! And there it is, his 10th goal, his first mini milestone. Well, it would have been harder to miss.
Well, it's pretty damning on the part of that defence, Peter, that he was allowed so much time and space. But I think you have to give credit where it's due. And it was a...
And here's De Bruyne. Mbappe. The referee has given a corner. Have their second corner now. Now that's a fine challenge. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Brazil can counter promptly here. Not the most accurate pass. Kimmich. He's looking wide. Oh, he had to make that. Rummenigge. Oh, we expected better, and so did he. Kulusevski. Monza looking to pass their way through. And he can clear it away. And he's only too happy to take... He is such a good mover. And he's had it nicked away. Wan-Bissaka. Now it's Neymar. That's a nicely weighted pass. Now it's Mbappe. De Bruyne. Cleared without complication. There's the whistle for half-time.
A pacey opposition, but they've asserted more control and look capable.
Brazil head for the dressing room in possession of a 1-0 lead.
Lascia il campo per il numero 23.
Here we go again then. Brazil carrying a 1-goal lead. Chance! It's in! A 2-goal cushion, and it's looking safe. Not a defender in sight. He had all the time. Kimmich. Hernandez. Oh, no joy this time.
Well, he got rid because he was being very closely marshalled.
Brazil finding their passes. Alvarez. And it's De Bruyne. Couldn't quite squeeze that one through. Well, there is a look that says it all. A piercing stare. Kimmich. De Bruyne. Rodri.
Yeah, that works for me. The denial of movement, blunt and brusque.
Rummenigge. Plays a sharp little ball here. Now the finish! And more, and more, and more! And the lead is extended still further. Lacking...
Il quarto uomo indica 2 minuti di recupero.
Oh, easy pickings there. Rafael Leao. He's got to be in here.
Real chance!
And he's there to get it away. And that is that. Well, that was a shimmering, sizzling, scintillating game. The key characters glittered throughout and did what they did when required so to do. There could be only one outcome.